My goodness, Lego has done a great job here. This is the Bouquet of Roses. It's part of the Botanical collection that they've done. There's 822 pieces and it does 4 different types of flowers. So 3 roses and then there's the white flowers that go with it. I just wanted to also note that it does not come with a vase, so you need one of those. The bags are broken up into the 4 different types of flowers, so it's really straightforward instructions. This is the first lot of flowers. They're really pretty, kind of like closed roses, which are really stunning, and there is 4 of these. I feel like as the bags went on, the flowers got a little bit more intricate, but that was okay. This was the second lot of roses, so they have the leaves on them, and they're a bit more like bulbous roses. They're really cool. And this is it compared to the first rose that we did. Going on to the last flowers, this one actually has 4 of the green and white stem type flowers and then 4 of the roses to go with it. It was a little bit more tedious because of the white flowers, but it was all really easy. Like, this is not a stressful process at all. I found it quite therapeutic to do this rose set. So these were the final roses. They're absolutely gorgeous, and these are the little white flowers that go with it. This is all the roses in a row so that you can see the comparison of what everything looks like, and now I'm going to put it into the vase. My suggestion for your vase is to make sure that it has a bit more of an open top to it. Mine is a bit more closed. It's a little bit trickier to place these. And for anybody wondering, it was 2 hours that it took for me to do this beautiful bouquet here. So I'm stoked with this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It is a brilliant gift. I bought this for myself and I am in love. So definitely recommend.